Welcome to Akulmach Live. The recent Amazon layoff have sent a shockwave across the tech industry. But the real question is, are these just cost-effective measures or just signs of AI-driven automation fundamentally changing the future of work? So let's find out. Welcome everyone. Today we are diving into a question that is rattling boardrooms, homes, and career around the globe. Is AI stealing our jobs? So more specifically, we are going to talk about Amazon, the retail giant, the tech innovators, and the company that defines what we say convenience for millions, and has also been in the headlines for another reasons, significantly layoff. So, but are these just a typical corporate restructuring, or are just they are actually warning, giving a warning sign of much larger and more systematic shift driven by artificial intelligence? So let's set the scene. And over the past years, Amazon has announced multiple round of job cuts, impacting thousands of employees across various departments, from corporate role in HR, recruitment to the tech positions in cloud computing, and also product development. So while companies often trim their workforce for their various reasons, economic slowdown, shifting priorities, and even over hiring during the times, boom times like pandemic. So what makes these Amazon layoff particularly unsettling in the whisper, or rather than growing shout out actually for that is AI and automations are actually playing an increasingly significant role. So for years, we have heard about robots taking over manufacturing jobs, but this feels different. So these are often white collar skilled positions, and this isn't just about assembly line. It is about actually algorithms, data analysis, and very tasks that is many believed required human intellect and nuances. So let's talk about AI, or artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic concept, it is here, right here, yes. And it is actually rapidly evolving, from advanced algorithm optimizing the supply chains and customer service, to sophisticate the larger language model generated content and writing code. So AI is transforming how business are operating in current scenario. So the promise of AI is increasingly efficiency and reducing costs, faster innovations, and for companies like Amazon, where those are DNA in the building on efficiency and scaling. So AI is natural fit. Imagine the surviving when AI can manage logistics and with fewer human planners, and process customer inquiring about the fewer support staff. So, and all this isn't theoretical. So Amazon has been a leader in deployment AI and automation for years. Think of their fulfillment centers where Kiva robot zip around and minimizing the need of human workforce and to walk miles to pick the items. So think of these the incredible sophistication recommendation engineer, where the use of AI is to predict what you want to buy, and before you even know if you yourself is generating billions of in revenue. So now consider the impact of advanced AI on roles beyond the warehouses flow. So what about human resources? It's a big question. So AI can now shift through resume, schedule interviews, and even conduct preliminary screening. So what about marketing? So AI can generate, personalize, and copy, optimize the campaign in real time. So in software development, AI tool are assisting, and in the same cases automating code generation and debugging. So it became clear that many tasks previously performed by humans, employees, are no longer required, are within the capabilities of intelligent machine. The question isn't if AI is doing these tasks, but how many tasks and how many human roles are becoming actually obsolete as a result. So this brings us back to the Amazon layoff. While Amazon maintained that the cut are due to economic conditions and adjusting for over hiring and many employees, and the industry analyst actually suspect a deeper AI driven strategy. So when we hear reports of entire team being reduced, and while the company is simultaneously investing billions in the AI development, it is hard not to connect the dots. So we are actually seeing this trend not just in Amazon but across the entire tech sector. Google, Microsoft, Meta all have undergone significant layouts, and all are pouring resources into AI. So it is a pattern. Companies are investing heavily in AI tools and achieving increasing productivity with a fewer human inputs, and then streamlining their workforce. So the type of role which are actually very much required, often required in these scenario, they share a common characteristics. They are repetitive, they are data driven, and are involving tasks that can be broken into predictable steps. So this include administration support. This also include data entry, certain customer service functions, content moderation, development also in some cases, and even some analytical roles. So it is no longer just a blue collar knowledge based work, and that is the feeling that is squeezing in currently. So is AI is truly stealing our jobs? The answer is complex. It is more accurate to say that AI is transforming jobs and changing the nature of work. Some roles will undoubtedly will be automated out of existence, and however, AI will be creating new jobs. So we have to actually dive deep into these kind of scenarios, especially people who are job seekers. So job focus on developing, maintaining, supervising AI system, as well as the role that is leverage uniquely human skills like creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving, and that AI has to actually struggle in these kind of scenario. So the challenge for individual and more society is to adapt all these rapid changes, and this isn't just about learning to the code. It is about developing new skills, embracing and continue learning and understanding how the collaboration with AI rather than compete against it. So for companies, like ethical dilemma, definitely many companies are facing, and is significant also. So now how do we have to balance the pursuit of efficiency and profit, that is responsibility of the workforce and the society. So the automation economy demands are not just technical innovation, but is also social innovation in how we manage transition and reskill of workers, and perhaps even rethinking of society safety nets. That is also very, very important, because as we have discussed, we are undergoing a change scenario. The future of work isn't about human versus machine. It is about human with machines. So it is about how we integrate AI in augment and our capabilities, and and free us from the some basic work, basic tasks, and allow us to focus on a high value and more creative endeavors. So the Amazon layoff and the similar move across the tech industry is a powerful reminder that we are just a tool. It is a we are not just a tool actually. So it is a force reshaping our economy, our daily lives, and ignoring its impact in a no longer it's an option. So we need to engage in this thoughtful discussion about how to harness AI power and for the progress, and while ensuring just an equitable transition for the global workforce, and of course in society, how we will go forward. So what are your thoughts? Do you believe AI is a threat or an opportunity? Have you actually personally felt the impact of automation in your job? And so just let us know in the comment below. We found this video insightful. If you want this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your network, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and actually dive into the future of tech and forces. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.